Hi, it's Nicole. Now that we have our stencils prepped, let's get to etching our cookie jar. Make sure your base is clean, dry, and free of any oils. I like to use an alcohol wipe and a lint-free cloth. Stabilize your base so it doesn't move during application. It helps to use 2 rolled-up towels or narrow books. Just make sure that what you're using will not get in the way of your stencil. Once everything's secure, remove the backer from your stencil. I like to use parchment paper to prevent the stencil sticking prematurely while aligning my design. Place the center of the stencil down, making a U shape. Then slowly smooth down the stencil from the center, removing the parchment as you go. Gently burnish the design, working any bubbles out toward the edges. Slowly roll the transfer tape off at a sharp angle to your design, taking care not to remove any of your small pieces. Then, go over all the edges of the design to be sure they are firmly adhered. This will remove any air bubbles and ensure that the etching cream won't seep under. This can also be helped by using a heat gun to lightly go over the edges of the design. Tape the outer edges and any more areas you want to protect from the etching cream. Before applying the etching cream, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, protect your surfaces, and have clean water nearby. Be sure to wear your gloves and eye protection. Use a small brush to apply an even coat of etching cream to the design areas of the stencil. Keep the brush straight and use a back and forth motion, following the direction of the design. Take care not to get bristles or cream under the edges of the design. Move across the stencil to cover all areas. Then, go over the whole design again, ensuring an even coat. This process should take about 5 minutes. Use the brush to remove the extra cream and return it to the bottle, since it's reusable. Check your results. If it looks good, rinse the cookie jar under running water. Allow it to air dry without removing the stencil. Once dry, check to see that all areas are evenly etched. If a second coat is needed, check the edges are adhered and reapply as before. Once everything is clean and dry, peel off the stencil and any tape. Make sure to wash the jar with soap and water before placing any food inside. I can't wait to fill this with cookies. In the next video, we'll walk you through using our little honeybee image as a wood-burning stencil. See you there.